Real estate investment is one of the most popular ways to generate passive income. In this video, we will discuss the basics of rental properties and how you can earn money from them. Before investing in rental properties, it is essential to understand the local real estate market. This will help you identify the best investment opportunities and determine the rental price. To make money from rental properties, you need to ensure that your return on investment, ROI, is profitable. This means calculating all the expenses and estimating the rental income. How a property is managed can make or break the investment. In this section, we will discuss the importance of finding the right tenants and maintaining the property. To keep your rental property occupied, it is crucial to market it effectively. This includes listing the property on rental websites, creating eye-catching ads, and holding open houses. Investing in rental properties can be a profitable venture if done correctly. By understanding the real estate market, calculating your ROI, effectively managing the property, and marketing it properly, you can generate consistent passive income.